symptoms of brain cancer with brain tumors and how serious they can be. But did you know they can have subtle symptoms as well as obvious ones, such as headaches and seizures? Here are 5 signs of a brain tumor that might surprise you. 1. A sense of change. Brain tumors can cause seizures, but not just the types that cause you to lose consciousness and convulse. According to the American Society of Clinical Oncology, some seizures can cause sensory changes, sensation, vision, smell, hearing, and even taste. If you're having this type of seizure, you might be fully awake, alert, and even able to interact with others. This can make it impossible for others to even realize that you're having a seizure, says the Epilepsy Foundation. 2. Huh? Say that again? Cognitive functions, such as the ability to think or read, can be impacted by brain tumors. Some symptoms are really destructive in the sense that people are wide awake and may look completely alert or normal, says Donald O'Rourke, MD, neurosurgeon and director of the Human Brain Tumor Tissue Bank at Penn Medicine. But they are very sick cognitively. 3. Far from forgetfulness. Everyone has memory problems now and then, and that is perfectly normal. But when forgetfulness turns to dramatic memory loss, it might be due to another problem, such as a brain tumor. 4. Your body is no longer obeying you. Poor coordination on the dance floor is one thing. But persistent fumbling and stumbling when you're walking, reaching for a glass, or doing other simple activities could signal a brain tumor. 5. Pain where you least expect it. Sometimes, a tumor can make its presence known by causing pain, and not always in the form of headaches. Greg, a Penn patient who had a brain tumor, originally experienced tooth pain. After a year of treatment with no relief, his dentist recommended he see a neurologist. The pain ended up being caused by a brain tumor pressing on his trigeminal nerve, the nerve responsible for carrying sensation from the face to the brain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more tips.